we are going to do a copy on the HP Tango using the HP Smart apps. To begin, let us start up the HP Smart. From the HP Smart, select Copy. Now we are in the manual mode. Position the document that you want to copy within the box itself. Once that is done, tap on the button on the HP Smart. So this is the copied document that is showing right here. We'll tap on this icon to copy the second page. Again, place the document within the box and tap on the button to copy. So that's page 2, and this is page 1. If you have got more pages, you can tap on the icon. For now, we're going to resize the document to fit to page. Once that is done, we can start a black or start a color copy job. Let us start a color copy. Tap on Start Color. The selected size of the original document is larger than the paper currently loaded. Content size will be reduced to fit on the loaded paper. Let's select OK. The 2 pages are being copied and being printed right now. So the 2 pages have been printed. Let's take a look. Okay, this is the copy page and this is the original. Similarly, this is the copy page and this is the original. So this is how you do a copy on the HP Tango using the HP Smart apps.